this video, we'll discuss only degree of polynomial. What do we mean by degree of a polynomial? But see, I have written here that we shall consider only polynomials in one variable. That is, it will contain only one variable, and that may be x or y or z, whatever it is. Also, please note, this time when I have written the examples, I have named the polynomials. And how do we name polynomials? If a polynomial, since we are dealing with one variable, it will contain one, either x or y or z. In my first example, it contains the variable x. So I have named it px. That is how we name polynomial, p, and then within bracket the variable. Now this polynomial, we want to find out what is the degree. Now degree means it is always the highest power of the variable present. For example, here 1 power is 5, 1 power is 7, and here if you want to imagine x, it has to be x to the power 0. So the maximum power is 7. So degree of this polynomial is 7. Now let's come to this. Now this is a constant polynomial. There is no variable, so it is a constant polynomial. So here we will imagine this polynomial as, since I have written y, so I will put the variable y. So I will imagine it as y to the power 0. So what do we see? Degree of any constant polynomial is 0. That is very, very important, and this is the reason. So degree of a constant polynomial is always 0, with one exception, that is, if you have the special constant polynomial 0, that is the constant itself is 0, you know that this is called 0 polynomial. 0 polynomial has no degree. I mean, degree of a 0 polynomial cannot be defined. It is not defined. So please remember, degree of 0 polynomial not defined. Why? Very simple. Because you can imagine 0, you cannot imagine in any unique way. You can imagine 0 as 0 equal to 0 into x to the power 0, or 0 into x to the power 1, or 0 into x to the power 100. Because the constant is 0, everything will be 0, value will be 0, and the variables are having different powers. So which one will you take as the degree? So only the constant polynomial 0 polynomial has no degree, but any other constant polynomial will always have degree 0. And here you can see highest is 1, so this will have degree 1. So this is how we define degree of a polynomial.